This crucial SSD comes in 7 capacity variants of 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, 120 gigabytes, 240 gigabytes, 250 gigabytes, 480 gigabytes, and 500 gigabytes, and 10 style variants of BX SSD, MX M.2, MX SSD, P1 NVMe M.2, P5 NVMe M.2, 2 terabytes, 250 gigabytes, P2 NVMe M.2, and 500 gigabytes, along with 4 pattern variants of SSD, SSD plus 8 gigabytes RAM, bx500 SSD, and SSD plus 4 gigabytes RAM. Crucial MX500 is a 2.5 inches SSD that comes with a storage capacity of 500 gigabytes for all your storage requirements. The SSD offers a read speed and write speed of up to 560 megabytes per second and 510 megabytes per second, respectively. This crucial SSD comes with dynamic write acceleration technology that uses an adaptable pool of high-speed, single-level cell flash memory to generate blistering speeds. Crucial MX500 uses only a minimal amount of power and still delivers high performance. With integrated power loss immunity, this SSD preserves all your saved work if the power unexpectedly gets cut. It uses the AES 256-bit hardware-based encryption to keep your data safe and secure from hackers and thieves. The SSD is compatible with laptops and desktops. The dimensions of the product are 10.3 by 0.71 by 7 centimeters, and it weighs 10 grams.